place, it's my pleasure to invite our chief guest, respected Sir Ranjit Hiram, our principal, on the stage. Respected Sir Ranjit Hiram. Please give a big applause to him. Next, I would like to welcome on the stage the president of the function, respected Sir Al-Haus Muhibullah, our father of the school, Sir Al-Haus Muhibullah. Please give a big applause to him. With all our dignified guests on stage now, may I request my dear friend Rosmani of Costain to kindly come on stage and welcome the guests. Rosmani of Costain.